In my last video, we talked about Minddrift AI and how you can start making money on the platform by simply rendering your skills and services to this platform, basically training AI. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a similar platform that rewards you for doing the same thing. The whole essence of this is to tell you that it is not only platforms like Outlier, OneFormer, Handshake, and all of these other platforms that are not available for all other countries that pays. This one is real and basically pays you for training AI. This is to say that you don't have to stress yourself to want to register on platforms like Outlier. Of course, we know that Outlier is not available for all countries. Only about 70 plus countries, if not lesser than that, are eligible to participate on Outlier. This is why for those of you that you're in other countries, you notice that for you to participate on the platform, you try to use VPN, you try to use proxies, you try to use remote desktop applications, and a whole lot of all of these other methods that you used to get in. And even as at that, you can even end up getting your account banned or suspended at the end of the day. So you can see that in as much as the pay is high, the stress might not really be worth it at the end of the day. But then that is basically about that. If you see an opportunity, get in. In today's video, we're going to be talking about DataAnnotation Tech. And this platform basically rewards you for training AI. You might want to wonder what exactly is the reason why these platforms are currently trending, because it is not even only this one. In subsequent videos, I'm still going to be dropping other videos on other platforms that you can still make money from. So why are they trending now? And this is what you need to know. All of the assistance that AI has ever rendered to you, AI would not have been able to do that well if they were not fed to it by human data. So see it, for instance, everything that AI know is everything that humans have fed to it. AI cannot be smart without human beings. This is why they need your inputs. This is why this platform even frowns so much at you using AI to answer them. Because imagine them wanting to train AI and then you're rendering them answers that are coming from AI. I mean, that is a loss on their part. So they want real human things so that AI can understand human logic, human emotions, human understanding, human knowledge, and human whatever. In fact, enough of all of the long talk. Let's head into it. This is the platform on my screen here, and it's called DataAnnotation Tech. In case you want the registration link, you can check the description box of this video. I'll have dropped the link there. For those of you that you're already on my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp community, you will have seen that I have dropped the information there. And just in case, make sure you're following me on X. Search for Toniostech on X and follow me there. Most of my updates do come there, even if I make videos on them, because of course, you know, it is easier to type than to make videos on some of these things. So as I get the updates, I drop it there. And for those of you that are even in my Telegram channel, you have realized that I dropped an update earlier today of a platform that pays you for simply posting. So when you post, you can earn anything between $13 and $100. If you're in my Telegram community, you will have gotten that update. So if you're not there, you're missing out on a lot. Now, this is my screen here, and this is the platform. Once you come here, the first thing you want to do is to tap on this hamburger menu that is at the top right of your screen. Once you tap on it, it is going to open here. Then you can click on these domains. This is where you get to see the list of tasks that are available on this platform. So when you click on this domain, you can see if you know how to code, this platform is for you. This is where you can apply. If you're a generalist, this generalist simply means anybody, even if you don't have a skill, you can apply. Now, if you want to apply for this generalist, all you basically have to do is to click on this generalist, and then the screen opens up. You can take your time and read the details that are on this screen. And just like what I told you, you can see this is them telling you that this is not busy work. So they are paying you for something real. And this is why you can see the best models still hallucinate facts, contradict themselves, and miss obvious logical gaps. This is to tell you that AI is not perfect. AI can hallucinate. AI can make mistakes. AI can mislead you. For those of you that trust it 100%. So you see, you're the quality signal that fixes this. One evaluation at a time, blah, blah, blah. So if you want to apply, you can simply click on this apply as a generalist, and it's going to take you to the next page whereby you have to put your email and the whole lot of that. I'll show you how to do that, but let us check the other skills that are available on this platform. So if you're into law, you can also apply here for law. If you're into mathematics, you can apply here. If you're in medicine, physics, finance, accounting, bilingual, chemistry, and biology, these are basically what you can apply for on this platform. And as you can see, the things you get paid for on this platform is not as much as what is on Minddrift AI. Or Minddrift AI, there are a whole lot there. But anyone that works for you, you can try it out. Now, you can see this is the screen here. Like I said, if you want to apply, let me select this generalist. and then select apply as a generalist. On this screen, you can decide to sign up with your email, or you can decide to sign up with your Google. I'm going to select on this Google and it will show me the list of my emails. Then I'm going to pick one and use it to sign in. I've now selected my details, and after giving the necessary permissions, you can see they've now taken me to this page where I can accept their terms of service. So I'm going to go ahead and click on I agree. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on this continue button and wait for it to load to the next page once again. So you can see, thanks for signing up. We do not have any projects to assign to you at the moment. Our workflow can vary, blah blah blah. So this is basically telling me that there is currently no project that they can give me task on in generalist, and this is normal. For those of you that participate in Outlier, Handshake, and all of these other platforms, you can testify that it is not all the time that there is available task on it. In fact, this week, if you're in US, there is no task for you on Outlier. You have to wait for next week, although that is because they are doing some maintenance on the platform. So it is completely normal. Now you can check back on this platform later and see tasks. But that does not mean that there are no available tasks in other areas. For instance, if you code, there might be tasks available for you. So let's go back, and I've gone back to the first page. I'm now going to tap on the hamburger menu once again, expand the domains option, and I can select which other thing do I like to do. I love biology, so I can select biology, and then I can apply as a biology expert. Similarly, if you want to do other things on this platform, you can apply for chemistry, accounting, and a whole lot of that. So that is basically that about that. I know the question a lot of people want to ask is, how do I receive payment on this platform? And payment is simple. You can receive your payments in PayPal. If you're in Nigeria, you don't have to worry because PayPal is now available for Nigerians, so you can open a PayPal account. But PayPal is not the only payment method. There are other payment methods like Payoneer and a whole lot of others. I think I'm going to be making a video on the payment and the withdrawal, but that is that about that. This is just an introductory video to show you what the platform is and what you can do on it to start making money. And like I said, there are still a whole lot of other platforms. I think I still currently have about 7 more platforms. So in my subsequent videos, expect me to make videos on this platform. As long as you're on this channel, you're going to get that detail. So make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Subscribing alone is not enough. Check below your screen, you're going to see a bell icon there. Click on that bell icon so you turn on notification for my post, because without doing this, you might even be subscribed and then I drop an update and you still don't get updates on the information. So basically do that, stay in touch, follow me on all of my other platforms, and I'm going to see you in my next video.